Hi, this is Josh Kirby of MarineMax in Long Island. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Scout 355 LXF. This boat comes with the shark gray hull, comes with triple Mercury Verado 4-stroke motors, 300s, with the shark gray accent stripe to match the hull. In the rear of the boat you have plenty of seating for you and your guests. You have the port side dive door. At the helm you have the joystick control, you have two large Garmin onboard electronics, nice tower. Moving forward you have a very spacious bow with a teak inlay table, a giant sun pad if you wanted to lay out. This 355 also comes with a spacious cabin and head. If you wanted to overnight, you have a fridge, comes with a TV. There are the pads for the front. Also an easy to access control panel is located here. If you have any questions about this boat, or if you would like to come see it in person, please join us at our Long Island MarineMax location. Thank you.